Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikit here, and on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account private. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your device, open the Twitter app. After that, make sure they are logged into your account. Now from the upper left corner of your screen, tap on your profile icon. A drop down menu will pop up. From there, at the very bottom, tap on settings and support. It will expand and scroll up, and then again tap on settings and privacy. You will land on your settings page. Now from here, under the monetization option, you will see privacy and safety. Tap on there, you will land on this interface, and then again tap on audience and tagging. From the first of the list, you will see this interface, and in here, but if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorial. Now back again, in here, make sure you turn on the toggle that says protect your post. So go ahead and turn on that toggle. Once you turn on that, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. That means your account has been set to private. This is how you can simply set your Twitter account private. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.